Hey y'all, let's make a Dollar Tree wreath. It's been a minute since I've been on. So we're going to use, hey Dolores, how are you? We're going to be using our foam wreath here. Hey Miss Carolyn, she's doing pretty good today. Today was we saw a lot more smiles, so that was good. Hey Connie. Okay. So y'all look. This is that little styrofoam wreath frame from Dollar Tree. I'm hoping that this is going to work, okay? And then I've got the eggs, the little eggs. Alright, so I've got several packs of those. I don't know how many I'm going to need. We're just going to play with it, okay? Oh, Miss Jimmy, the weather is horrible. That's why I'm live. I got to keep busy, y'all. Okay. Hey, Janet, how are you? So, look, y'all, we made this in my wreath group. Showed them how to make one of these. I just love this. It's so nice. You having a hard time hearing me? Anybody else having a hard time hearing me? Hey Chris, how are you? Alright y'all, I'm just going to go with this. I have no idea what we're doing here. We're just going with it. Let's just go with it, y'all. Okay, good. Thanks, Gina, for letting me know. Thank you, Janet. Okay, so we want to keep it the same direction. So I don't want them to go that, they look better this way. Now, I haven't done one of these, so I just thought it would be fun. You could barely hear me? I don't know. I told you to pause it. Hey, Christy. Did this one. Why did I do that? I gotta pay attention, y'all. Cut it down, please. Please cut that down. You understand me? Hey Crystal, how are you? by now. I've never made one of these before, y'all. Yes, they did, Yvonne. They did. You can't. Miss Debbie says, hey, Laura.
Hey, Mama, do the blue one next.
Want the blue one next?
Mm-hmm. I haven't done a blue one in a while.
Okay. I'm leaving the ribbons on. I kind of like it. Maybe, I don't know. I may go around later and pop them off. Who knows? Yeah, they do, Crystal.
Oh, you painted it.
Isn't it pretty?
I love it. Looks like a beach.
Thought it was pretty too.
I hear the beach every night while I'm laying down in my bed.
Bless your heart. That's what she told him about her ears. She said it sounds like the beach.
Cause I mean, I do have ringing now. I do. Then I didn't, but now I do. But no, I was having the beach sound. All I need now is for my mama to paint a picture of the beach, so I can watch it.
So you could have it above your bed. You could just lay there, huh?
Yeah, make it sound like I'm at the beach.
Good gracious.
Except for whenever we went to Pensacola, every night at the beach it stormed.
I do, Dee Dee.
It stormed every single night.
Did it storm? It could storm every night.
Oh, yes it did. It stormed
Christy.
every single night we were at the beach. Like whenever we were going to bed.
No, it did not.
Yes, it did. At Pensacola, yes, it did. Because I had a hard time sleeping.
Michelle, what I did with the wire is I just kind of,
sucked it in.
the ones that weren't gluing on here right, I just pinned them, just kind of pinned them in. That's all.
That, like that.
Would you quit being so noticeable of everything? Like, just stop.
You would have noticed it and been like, well, that looks kind of out of place. And then you would have been here all night.
Trying to get
I'm just saving you. No, ma'am.
I don't think you need a little bow. I think this is good like this. I think it's perfect like that. So we're going to send this with our friend that works at a nursing home and get her to put it on
I have something on my forehead.
a door.
Oh, that's so cool.
To one of the ones that don't have family members come in. I think that would be cute. So we wind up using what, 5? And the 9-inch frame from Dollar Tree. Y'all, it's just the styrofoam frame. Hey, Candy. And 5 of the eggs. We did wind up having to use, I don't know if y'all can see that, floral wire to poke some of them in that the glue wouldn't hold. But it feels pretty sturdy now. Let it finish drying. And then we added the grass in there and kind of stuffed that in there to help fill it in. I think that's cute. Fun little project. And you can also put it on a...
Did Autumn bring eggs in?
Yes, she brought eggs. Put it on a, I don't know, put a little bunny or something in it. That would be cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you can put big eggs in the middle. Like golden eggs.
Oh, yeah. I've got some of those big eggs somewhere.
You got some over there.
No, I've got some big ones somewhere.
Oh. Big ones.
She's trying, Candy. She's trying. She's been joking around a little bit today. So she's trying to feel better. Aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you just gotta fake it till you can make it, huh?
Yep.
Yep. Alright, y'all. Well, let me get off here.
She can get my ice cream sandwiches.
So she can go get her some bread, spread some ice cream on it. Y'all have a good night. Thanks for joining me. If you don't mind, give it a share. Maybe somebody else will enjoy
Like, share,
making
subscribe.
one. And we're going to send this one to the nursing home to somebody. Alright, y'all. Like, share, subscribe. This is not YouTube. Bye, y'all.